Hello, Ooh, welcome to this update. So let's see the tropics here, and a thing or two for the severe weather that we didn't mention in this morning's video. So let's see. There's this area here. It's down to 40%. So yesterday was 50%. So they say a short-lived tropical depression is possible before it reaches the coast of Mexico, but it's only at 40% chance. So there's nothing else out there. In the Eastern Pacific not, and here nothing too. So let's see here the model. So there are the showers and storms, more moisture, but there it doesn't have anything forming. Maybe a short-lived tropical depression, like they said. So the Euro here, the Euro has a more defined low pressure there, but then it quickly dissipates. And let's see if there's something else. No, for now nothing. The Canadian has the low pressure there too, but not really doing nothing. Just some heavy rains in Mexico. And here, let's see if it has something else. It has some bigger tropical waves there, like trying to form into something, but not really. Just like a disturbance there by July 1st. And then, yeah, and this is it. Let's see. The icon has the low pressure there, but not really doing much, just some heavy rain. And it has a low pressure there, but that's not tropical. And the icon actually has a system forming in the Eastern Pacific there. Not forming, but yeah, 1006 millibars. This could be a system. Who knows? So this is by July 30th. No, July not, June 30th. So we gotta keep watching that too. Let's see here. Some rainfall now. So total accumulated precipitation. Let's see. So as we move through this here, let's put the full 90 hours here. So the Euro has a lot in Mexico, more in South America, especially there in parts of Guyana, especially the coast and central areas might get more. Florida and more in the southern Bahamas, parts of the Bahamas it shows, and Guatemala, the Yucatan, western Nicaragua, parts of Panama and Costa Rica too. So let's see here the GFS. So that's too far out. Let's go like forecast hours up here. So 36, 48, 60, 78, 84 hours. And so this is 90 hours from the GFS. Has more in Guyana there, Venezuela, Panama, Costa Rica, more in El Salvador, Guatemala, and Honduras, and some in the Bahamas and Cuba. Let's see forecast hour at 96, 102, 120, 138. So if we put the full run, yeah, that's too far out. But let's see 150 hours would be until June 29th. It shows more in Central America, Mexico, South America, and more areas. So this is it. I think we will do a more detailed tropical update for tomorrow. And then here's the severe weather, because they put that slight risk there. So this morning it was just a marginal there. They added that slight risk, and the rest is still the same. The tornado threat there, there's nothing there. Wind, they added the 15% there for wind, and hail also 15% there for hail, and just 5% there. And you know that small marginal risk in Nebraska and Kansas, they removed it. So let's see. Scarce damaging winds and few tornadoes likely in northeast and New England, with additional severe storms across the Ohio Valley Mid-Atlantic region, as well as the northern High Plains. So so be aware. We already have some warnings there now, and some strong storms in Quebec and Ontario too. Let's see. And then he continues there. Very strong storms there in Quebec, parts of Vermont, New Hampshire, into Maine there, just like I showed this morning. So northwestern US for Montana there, it shows we might get some strong storms in parts of Saskatchewan there, and then they might move east into Manitoba, but it's not showing anything big for Montana there. That's weird, because that slight risk is between Montana and North Dakota. So let's see better. But it isn't showing anything crazy. Wait, let's put another. It shows only some storms in Saskatchewan there, but by the end of this run it shows some more showers in Montana there and North Dakota. But it's not showing anything big, but be aware of those storms later. So this is it, I think.